Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today I am bringing you part 2 of my spring home decor haul, my little spring refresh, if you will, that I am doing here in my home. If you missed part 1, I will leave that video linked in the description box below, as well as in the iCards above. It had a lot of my Amazon favorites in it, so if you're a fan of Amazon and buying things on a budget, make sure you go check out that video. You really don't want to miss it. Now, today's video, as I said, is a continuation of that video. And I think I have some really nice things that you're gonna love. So we are going to start out with marble. And then I'm gonna save the one marble item that I told you about last week for last. So I've been really loving marble lately. And I found this really cute marble candle holder from Amazon. From Target. And I absolutely love it. I love the aesthetic of it. I think it will look perfect styled on my coffee table or an entryway table. Absolutely love it. And I do not think you could go wrong for $20 for this marble piece. Absolutely love it. Okay, so the next marble items I picked up are these marble napkin holders. If I can open these up. I really love the aesthetic of these. This is how they look. I think they will look so pretty on my dining table. You guys know I painted my dining table black last year. And I love my dining table black. I think it pops in the contrast with the green and white, which you guys know are my signature colors. It's just perfect. It's totally my aesthetic. The only thing I don't like about my black coffee table is that it's black and it shows a lot of dust and fingerprints. So I am constantly having to clean the table. I love the table black. Not so much the cleaning that I have to do to keep it looking nice. But anyway, I picked these candle holders up from Ross and they were $4.99, if you can see that. Again, a great buy. So a little over $1 a piece, or $1.25 actually, and I picked up 2 sets. Now my next marble item I picked up, these are really, really heavy, okay, let me get it. These marble bookends. I absolutely love the aesthetic of these. I think they would look perfect styled in my loft on my bookshelf. These are very, very heavy. These came from Tjmaxx online. They were $39.99 a piece. Yes, a little pricier than I wanted to spend. And I even thought about doing a DIY, which you could totally do, and make these out of some wood and cover them in some marble contact paper, glue them together, and you would have the same aesthetic for less. But I didn't want to go through that whole process. And like I said, I am on a marble kick, and I absolutely love these, and I did not think $20 a piece was bad, especially for the quality, and they're so, so big and quite heavy. Oh, okay. That's all my marble pieces except for my drink table. I'm going to show you guys that last. The next thing I want to show you are some vases. So I picked up this really pretty organic vase from CB2. I love the texture. I love the quality on it. I think it's very unique, and it was $14.99. And I thought that was a really great price. And I absolutely love it. And I also ordered this really tall aluminum looking vase. It has not come in yet. I will put up a photo here. This is how it looks. It's quite large and it was a splurge at $69. Yes, $69. I bet you're wondering, Cheryl, why would you pay $69 for a vase? It was so pretty, guys. I absolutely love it. And I figured if I get it and I don't like it, I can always send it back. So I cannot wait to get that. Absolutely love it. And then I have set this vase on my entryway table and I have it styled on my Tom Ford coffee table book. I don't know if I told you guys about that in my last video or a previous video, but anyway, it was a gift for Christmas. And I love Tom Ford. I love the aesthetic of the photographs in these books. Absolutely breathtaking. And so I have it currently styled on my entryway table, as you can see back there. Absolutely love it. And speaking of books, I also picked up this book called Beauty by Design. I love the aesthetic on the book. If I ever do a custom built home, I would love to have my stairs designed and look like this. I think it is so modern, so me. I'm sure it's quite expensive, but I would love to do that. And as a matter of fact, I saw, what is her name? It's iStylers, I believe. She has a wall, or had a wall like mine back here, that she recently took out and put in metal railing. That's gonna be one of our projects this year. I cannot wait to start that. But back to the book, I love the design aesthetic of this book, and it has some really great photos in here as well. It gives you some inspiration for your home. Just like, look at all of these really pretty photos. I don't know if you can really see that. The sun is kind of bright today, but I absolutely love the book. All the photos in it. It gives great inspiration. So no matter what your style, I think you could find something that you would really like in here and ask you questions about your style, what you're looking for. Again, I think this is just a really great book. This was, I think, $16 or maybe a little less, but I would recommend this book if you are looking for some design inspiration. Now, you guys also know that I am updating my laundry room, adding a few things. And so one of the things I am going to add, I told you guys we have done a lot of things to the laundry room. One of the other things that we would like to do is to get a countertop to go over our washer and dryer. And I'll put up a few inspiration photos here of how I want it to look in the end. And I've ordered the top. I cannot wait for that to come in. And to go along with that, I also wanted to pick up some accessories to style the shelf, because of course we got to make it pretty, right? The laundry room's got to be pretty as well. So I saw this on Sharon, She's So Fabulous, and I didn't think it was too farmhousey. I thought it was kind of modern and that I could use this in the laundry room, so I picked this up. I want to say this was like $10 or $12. It's from Better Homes and Garden. And to go along with that, I picked up some dryer balls. These came from Amazon, and I think these would be really good to help soften your clothes. You could put like some essential oils on it and just throw them in with your towels and your sheets and just let them tumble and get that fresh, clean scent to put on your bed when you make it. So I had to go ahead and pick these up. So I'm thinking about putting these in the little laundry tote to make that very aesthetically pleasing. And then I also picked up this. I was at Target. So I showed you guys my dining room chairs. If you missed that video, they're new. I got them from Target. They're from Project 62. And there was a set that were damaged and I had to take them back. So while I was there returning those, I walked around the store and they had a clearance section, and they had these in the clearance section. This was originally $5, but I thought it would be cute somehow to use these in the laundry room, and it was only $2.50. So it's black and white, totally my aesthetic. So I thought, hey, this would be perfect to use in the laundry room. So I picked that up. And then I also found this cute, so big, this cute little mat that says laundry. And you guys know I got that black bohemian type style rug to go in the laundry room, and I thought this could be perfect to lay on top of that. So cute. Can you see the vibe? Can you see the aesthetics? Like, the laundry room does not have to be the worst place in your home. Although I don't do laundry. My boyfriend does the laundry. I cannot stand to do laundry, but at least when I walk by the laundry room, I can look in there and it'll be really pretty. So yeah, absolutely love these things. And if you're loving today's video and the things I'm picking up, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps YouTube know that you are enjoying my content, so they push it out to more people. I want to thank everyone so far who has joined my channel and have left so many wonderful comments. I absolutely love you guys. YouTube is like, you know, it's a hobby for me, but I love doing it. I love showing design inspiration and how to style your home in a budget, on a budget. I know there's tons of YouTubers who do the same thing. And so I greatly appreciate and love you guys all from the bottom of my heart who have subscribed and just really have been enjoying my channel and leaving me such nice comments. And I want to give a shout out to a few of the ladies who are constantly always commenting on my videos, and that is Harissa. Harissa, thank you so much. You are always commenting and you always watch my videos. And the next person I would like to thank is Valadia. I hope I'm saying your name right. You are also always one to be the first to comment on the videos and to give it a thumbs up, and I greatly appreciate it. And Lola, you, my friend, are so sweet. You are always commenting on all of my videos. You also follow me on Instagram. And guys, if you didn't know, I do have an Instagram page. I don't update it as much as I do my YouTube channel, but I do post some content over there. So if you're interested, make sure you also go check out my YouTube page. And while you're there, make sure you follow to get some updated content over there as well. So ladies, I want to thank you so much for all your support, as well as all my friends and family members here who support me. I greatly appreciate it. We recently reached 5,000 subscribers. Yay! I know it took a while. I greatly appreciate, guys, all your support. There will be a giveaway coming up soon. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but there will be a giveaway. So if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a part of the family. A couple of other things I want to show you is I picked up this really pretty bowl. I love the design and the aesthetic of this bowl. It reminded me of something that you may see at Restoration Hardware. And speaking of Restoration Hardware, we recently got a Restoration Hardware outlet here, and I was so excited. I did a walkthrough video showing you everything that they had on the floor. So if you missed that video, I will leave that linked in the description box below, as well as in the cards above as well. But this vase came from CB2 and it was $21.99, guys. Look, I mean, $21.99. I thought this was perfect. Like, I cannot wait to style it. I think it would look perfect with this greenery that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Like, I could just sit it in here and kind of drape it over the bowl. I picked up a whole bunch more. So it would look like this. These were $4.99. And for some reason, these don't really go on sale like all of the other florals. They're in the back of the store separate with the other succulents. So I had to pay full price for these. So these were $4 or $5. How much were you? These were $2.99, so $3 a piece. So not too bad. I absolutely love it, but I think it would look perfect styled here on a coffee table with some coffee table books. Absolutely love it. Again, very budget friendly and a great price. And finally, guys, here is the drink table that I have been telling you about. I absolutely love it. I love the aesthetic. I love the marble and the brass together. Absolutely breathtaking to me, and perfect little side table for when you have company over. And this also came from Tjmaxx, and it was very affordable at $69.99, considering that it is a marble piece. Absolutely love this, and I can't wait to entertain and have a guest come over and set their little drink here. So guys, I think that is everything that I have to show you. So our next video will be how I style all the things that I have recently picked up in my home. So if you want to see how I do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a part of the family. And yeah, I'm just so excited to decorate for spring. Tell me, are you ready for spring? Are you getting ready to decorate for spring? And if so, are you doing a spring refresh and bringing in new things or switching things that you already have in your home around? You can do that to save money. You don't have to go out and buy new things. These are just a few things that I wanted to bring in and introduce to my home for the new year. So I will show you all of those stylings. So if you're interested to see how everything looks, make sure you hit the subscribe button and become a part of the family. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.